Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Short-run supply questions are tricky, but we can solve them quickly by observing how firms react to current price level changes. First, we need to understand the short-run aggregate supply curve, which shows that as price levels rise, firms want to produce more output to maximize their potential total earnings today. Next, consider that nominal wages are often fixed by contracts in the short run, meaning they do not adjust immediately when the general price level of the economy starts to increase. Because these wages stay the same while prices rise, firms see higher profit margins per unit, which encourages them to expand their production levels significantly. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush, watch signs, trust facts, and check your steps carefully.